yourself, how can you talk in the language of we? You see, this is what it is. I do not know myself and I claim to know everybody else as well. I do not know myself and I claim to know everybody else as well. It is already dangerous to claim self-knowledge, and I am claiming knowledge of others as well. Yes, so I.
But sir, I'm not getting you.
I am not getting you, right? Not we are not getting you. What did you say? I am not getting you. Correct? So I. Yes.
I was saying up to now it was just a growth. But now I am here for development. Growth plus progress.
Alright, sir. How do you differentiate between growth, progress and development?
Growth plus progress is development.
What is growth? What is progress? When you say x plus y is z, you must first know x and y in order to come to z. What is growth? What is progress?
Growth is just increase in size, and development is when some progress is included with that, it becomes development.
When some
Progress is.
and what is progress?
Progress means it's enhancing your views, observations, and all the things.
Right. When you say increase in size, increase in whose size? Your body's size? Is that what an educational institution is for? What do you mean by increase in size?
Without
Mindset.
mindset includes, it's a part of development, increase in size.
Growth, one thing. What do you mean by growth? We'll then come to progress so that we can come to development. What is growth?
Simply, as you have told that we.
Why should I have told?
No, you
I am
were
nobody.
saying- You were saying one thing, I'm just coming on.
You tell me, what do you mean by growth? Because it is your life, not mine. Right? Right? It is your life, not mine. So you tell me, what do you mean by growth?
Yeah, we can include the.
We.
Okay, I take it as a growth in size, as we have been 4 to 21 here. We have, I have grown in size, and second.
You would have grown in size. What's your name?
Rajan Nana.
Rajan, you would have grown in size anyway without entering any educational campus. If all animals, all plants grow in size without being educated. So don't talk of all that, bodily growth and everything.
Second thing I want to say.
The first thing is wrong. Stick to that. Increase in size is immaterial. Education is not for that. Stick to the first thing itself.
Growth. As much as I know, I don't know.
Do you really know only this much? I really believe you are capable of knowing much more than this. I really believe that you are capable of far better clarity. Had you paid attention to yourself, today you are talking in such vague terms which do not make any sense at all, only because you have never paid any attention to yourself. So that is the reason I ask you, why have you come over here? And you give me an answer, increase in size and all that cock and bull story. Now it's you who have come here, and it's your own life that you are going to live. And I'm just trying to ask, why have you come here? Am I asking you a question that requires an encyclopedia? Do you really need to do Google search to come to this answer? Yes?
No.
Your life, your motivations, that's what I'm trying to ask. Why are you here? Why are you here? Yes?
We are here to
Ah,
get
the beginning itself is...
sorry. I'm here to get myself a second chance. I didn't like the job that I had before, so I want to switch my field and go into something much was managerial, basically finance. I was in production and I didn't like the job, floor job, and I want to go in finance. I am very excited. I mean to say that I am very, very fond.
What's your name?
Rahul.
Rahul.
Yeah.
Rahul, there are two ways of moving. Sit please. One is the way of love, the other is the way of fear. I am going from here till there. I can go because I love that place and I am myself joyful. In my joy, I am moving to that place, right? The other is, I am deeply afraid of standing here. I have had a very bad experience, and there are no bad experiences. There is only a bad mind, which has not understood what is happening. The second is, I am deeply afraid of standing here, so I am running till there. Do you see that these two movements are very, very different? One is, I am joyful, and in my joy, I find things to be lovable, and hence I am moving. The other is, I cannot bear standing at this place, so I am escaping from this place, in fear, in hatred. Which of these two reasons will not be of any help? Which of these two ways is a worthy way of living life? Yes? First one. Right? If you are here because you did not like working in your previous job, have you tried to understand that first? If I am afraid of standing here, what do I do? Run away from here or first understand the process of fear itself? Tomorrow I'll reach there, I won't like that place also, I'll run away from there and escape from there and escape from there. And 1,000 escapes is what my life story will be. Do you see the essential difference between acting out of love and acting out of fear? The action may still appear to be the same. Just as I said that a sleepwalking man and a wakeful man, they both are walking. The action appears to be the same, but there is a great difference. Similarly, there are two men moving from here till there. One in love, the other in fear. They may appear to be moving in the same direction, in the same way, but do you see the great difference in the movement? Yes. Do you see the great difference in the movement? Do you understand this, what I am trying to say? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
I hate my current life, hence I am escaping to the hills. Will I get any peace even there? Because I am carrying this mind along with me. I cannot keep it back. ये तो मेरे साथ ही जा रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
सारा conflict, contradiction, tension तो यहाँ पर है, उसे मैं अपने साथ ही लेके जा रहा हूँ. Will escaping ever help me? Or should I first stay put and apply my intelligence to understanding what is? And the moment I understand, fear is gone. The moment I understand, all the negative rationality is gone. What do I do? Apply my intelligence or run away from here? When I was at Ahmedabad, it was, kind of the same story. Let me share it with you. Most of the engineers, especially the IIT engineers, had cracked that 99 or 100 percentile because of their superior quantitative skills in the CAT, as you would expect, right? The moment they enter, they find that proficiency with numbers is all that they have. Or let's say proficiency with numbers is all that they think that they have. Is all that they think that they have. So they shy away from fields like marketing, consulting. 2 months into the campus, and they start chanting fin focus, fin focus, fin focus, finance लेना है, finance लेना है. Finance क्यों लेना है? इसलिए नहीं कि finance से प्यार है, इसलिए कि marketing से डर लगता है. Most of them are not doing even finance today, 10 years after passing from the campus. Some miscellaneous job here and there, leading a routine, monotonous life. Yeah, all right. They are vice presidents now. But when we meet, we do not hide it from each other that we had been deceiving ourselves. Is this a place of refuge जहाँ पे आप पूरी दुनिया से मार खा के छुपने के लिए आए हैं? ये कोई आश्रम है कि बाहर कुछ मेरा चला नहीं तो मैं यहाँ पे आके ये मुझे शरण मिली है? मैं बाहर जिन नौकरियों में था वहाँ पे मेरी बड़ी दुर्गति हुई, तो मैं यहाँ पे Is this that? And if you enter this place with that mindset, तो फिर तो एक रेफ्यूजी कैंप ही बन जाएगा, उससे अधिक कुछ नहीं बन सकता. Do we know why we are here? Do we really understand? Or are we sleepwalking? It's difficult, क्योंकि समझने की आदत ही नहीं है. बचपन से लेके आज तक कभी ये कहा ही नहीं गया कि समझना आवश्यक है. बस करे चलो जैसे सब कर रहे हैं, समझने की जरूरत ही क्या है? पूरी दुनिया करती है, तुम ही बहुत बड़े बादशाह हो कि तुम्हें समझना जरूरी है. हमने एजुकेशन पूरी की, हमारे बाद में पूरी की, हमारे दादा ने पूरी की, तुम भी पूरी करो. क्यों पूरी कर रहे हो? जरूरत क्या है? Who are you to ask why? Who are you to try to understand? Just do it. Just do it. तो बंदा 10+2 करता है, फिर ग्रेजुएशन करता है. अब आप पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन कर रहे हो, इसके बाद आप नौकरी करोगे, उसके बाद आप शादी करोगे, उसके बाद आप बच्चे पैदा करोगे, उसके बाद आप कहोगे घर भी होना चाहिए, नहीं तो इनको रखूँगा कहाँ पे. तो आप EMI पे घर खरीदोगे, फिर आप EMI अदा करोगे, फिर आप एक से दूसरी नौकरी जंप करोगे, दूसरी से चौथी, पांचवी से आठवीं. और ये सब कुछ करते करते आप सोचते रहोगे कि जरूर पीस, जॉय, सेटिस्फैक्शन, हैप्पीनेस, कंटेंटमेंट ये सब आगे मिलने ही वाला है, बस नई नौकरी में आते ही मिल जाएगा. और ये कहानी आप बढ़ती रहेगी. आप आगे की ओर देखते रहोगे, और एक दिन आगे देखते देखते आप साफ हो जाओगे. तो ये दिस इज द स्क्रिप्ट that has been already written. Now what are you to do as intelligent beings? Live this script or understand that it's one life that you have, that you need not conform to any scripts. Yes. What are you to do? Just keep on living this script which has been written in advance. आप सब जवान लोग हैं, आप चाहते हैं कि आप ऐसा जीवन जिए जो पहले से ही निर्धारित हो चुका है, किसी और ने निर्धारित कर रखा है. पर वो तो ऐसा ही रहा है. मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ, आप यहाँ क्यों आए? क्या यहाँ आना उसी स्क्रिप्ट का हिस्सा नहीं है? अगर नहीं है तो मुझे बहुत खुशी होगी. पर क्या आप कह सकते हैं विश्वास के साथ कि यहाँ पे आना आपका किसी स्क्रिप्ट का हिस्सा नहीं है? और अगर स्क्रिप्ट का हिस्सा नहीं है तो फिर आप मुझे बताइए कि आप यहाँ पर क्यों हैं?
Actually, sir, I have joined companies. I joined army also, but I didn't get any satisfaction from there. I was looking that I am not fit for that in that job. I thought for myself that when I was in business, so it was good. I feel good about that. So I leave that when I came here for my satisfaction. So whatever I will get after that, it doesn't matter. But I will get satisfaction from that.
How do you know? How many of you really think that you can project satisfaction in the future? How many of you really think that it is possible to project satisfaction in the future? कि 2 साल बाद तो मुझे satisfaction मिल ही जाना है. हाँ, आप imagine कर सकते हैं, imagination कर सकते हैं, पर कल्पनाएं तो कल्पनाएं होती हैं, यथार्थ से उनका कोई ताल्लुक नहीं होता.
Sir, I have done family business also. At that time, what was my experience?
What's your name?
Mohan Mishra.
Mohan, you have done family business. But have you done PGDM earlier? PGDM आपने पहले तो नहीं करा? तो मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ, आपको कैसे पता कि इसके बाद आपको सेटिस्फैक्शन मिल ही जाएगा जब आप ये पहली बार कर रहे हो? फैमिली बिजनेस में आपको डिससेटिस्फैक्शन मिला या सेटिस्फैक्शन मिला, वो मैं समझ सकता हूँ, राइट? You have passed through it. But how can you project satisfaction from this when you have not tasted it?
Sir, whenever I thought that after 5 or 10 years, it never came in mind that I am working for anyone. I always thought that I am doing for myself. Someone is working for me. So that's why.
Let's try to understand this. ये कह रहे हैं कि जब ये आज से 10 साल बाद की सोचते हैं तो कल्पना नहीं कर पाते हैं कि ये किसी की नौकरी कर रहे हैं, ये यही देखते हैं that others are working for him, कि ये दूसरों को नौकरी दे रहे हैं. बात समझ में आई है? ठीक है, आज से 10 साल बाद की बात. आपकी उम्र होगी अभी 20 साल, 22 साल, 23 साल. मैं आपको और आज से भी 10 साल पीछे ले चलता हूँ. जब आप 8 साल, 10 साल के थे, तब आप क्या बनना चाहते थे? क्या बनना चाहते थे? क्लास 2, क्लास 3, क्लास 4, उतने पीछे जाइए. आप क्या बनना चाहते थे? मैं सुपरमैन बनना चाहता था. आप में से कोई बार्बी डॉल बनना चाहता होगा, कोई डीप सी डाइवर बनना चाहता होगा, एक पॉलिटिशियन बनना चाहता होगा, कोई चोर पुलिस बनना चाहता होगा. हंस क्यों रहे हैं आप? वो जो बच्चा है 8-10 साल का, वो नहीं हंस रहा. He is very serious about what he wants to become. But today you can laugh at him because you see that it is foolish to project what you want to become after 10 years. वो जो बच्चा है वो अपने ऊपर नहीं हंसेगा, पर चूंकि आज आप दूर से देख पा रहे हो इसीलिए आपको दिखाई पड़ रहा है that how stupid it is. मैं आज से 10 साल आगे की सोचना, मैं उतना ही तो सोच सकता हूँ ना जितना बड़ा मेरा दिमाग है. उतना ही तो सोच सकता हूँ ना, जितना बड़ा बच्चे का दिमाग होता है, जितना उसका विवेक होता है, उतना ही वो सोच पाता है. अपने लिमिटेड पास्ट, अपने लिमिटेड एक्सपीरियंस को कॉल करता है और उसी के आधार पे वो फ्यूचर को प्रोजेक्ट करने की कोशिश करता है. दैट राइट? दैट्स व्हाट अ चाइल्ड इज डूइंग. इज दैट चाइल्ड yet not doing the same thing? क्या exactly वही वो अब नहीं कर रहा है? क्या वो वही स्क्रिप्ट फिर से नहीं दोहरा रहा है? जब वो 10 साल का था तो वो 10 साल बाद सुपरमैन बनना चाहता था. अब जब वो 20 साल का है तो 10 साल बाद वो एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना चाहता है. क्या वही स्क्रिप्ट वो फिर से नहीं दोहरा रहा है? स्क्रिप्ट चेंज होती अगर कोई समझ पाता कि ये विक्षिप्तता है 10 साल आगे की सोचना, तब स्क्रिप्ट बदलती. पर क्या स्क्रिप्ट बदल रही है? आप जब 10 के हो तो 20 की सोच रहे हो, 20 के हो तो 30 की सोच रहे हो, 30 के हो तो 50 की सोच रहे हो. Is there any movement really happening? The same script is being, जैसे एक सीढ़ी बार बार बजे जा रही है, बजे जा रही है, बजे जा रही है. अनकॉन्शियस है, देख भी नहीं पा रही कि मैं वही ट्रैक्स दोहरा रही हूँ.
Sir, it's a human nature.
Don't go into that. आप खुद को जानते नहीं और ह्यूमैनिटी की बात कर रहे हैं.
I want to say something, sir.
No. Whatever you say, just say out of your own mind.
Everybody wants.
Not everybody, you.
Talking about myself, I want something special from now. Presently, I am here, but after some day, I want to be somewhere else. So, satisfaction level is not enough for anybody. Sorry, satisfaction level is not enough for me for particular time. But it changes with the time, sir.
Right, friend. But that is the same story that others have been telling. कि मैं कहीं और पहुंचना चाहता हूं, इसलिए यहाँ पे आया हूं. Is that not the same story that everybody else is telling? Is that not the same thing that the 10-year-old kid wants to do? I want to reach somewhere else. Yes, please.
Last two questions, sir. सर 10 साल पहले वाला जो बच्चा था वो सबका जो है हम लोग हैं वो क्या उसके विवेक में विकास नहीं हुआ है? और दूसरा क्वेश्चन ये कि अगर कल्पना का यथार्थवाद से कोई लेना देना नहीं है तो फिर कल्पना तो कल्पना ही रह जाएगी. उसके लिए क्या कोई सर्टेन फॉर्मूला है कि हमें अगर कुछ करना है तो हम उसके लिए भविष्य में सोच ही नहीं सकते?
Let these two remain with you. Okay? If you can honestly hold on to these two questions, you will learn a lot. And one thing that you must not do is ask these questions to somebody else. ये कभी मत करिएगा. ठीक है? आपका जीवन है, इन दोनों सवालों को पकड़ के बैठ जाइए. ठीक? करेंगे? नहीं करेंगे?
Sir, I'm not doing. I'm asking when we are talking so much on these things. So अगर कल्पना और यथार्थवाद दोनों इतनी अलग चीजें हैं तो फिर तो कुछ कर ही नहीं पाएंगे.
यथार्थवाद में मत जाओ. What you mean by reality? यथार्थवाद, realism. Realism क्या होता है? What do you mean by realism? The immediate reality is right now. उसको आप समझ नहीं रहे हो. Realism वादों में जा रहे हो. क्यों जा रहे हो? What is the immediate reality? Since the last 20 minutes when I have been standing at this podium, I have been trying to ask you, yes, I have been trying to ask you, do you understand your immediate reality? Am I asking you कि आप 2 साल पहले यहाँ क्यों आए थे? Am I asking you आप 5 साल बाद क्या करोगे? What is one question that I have been repeating? What is that one question? Why are you here? And when are you here? Right now. Are you here yesterday? Are you here tomorrow? When are we here? When are we here? Right now. My one question to you is why? Go into that. Life is right now. Everything else is an imagination. Everything else is an imagination. मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ कि आप हैं ही क्यों?
Sir, we are here because we were told कि अभी guest lecture होने वाला है.
Right. And who told you? No, it's a very direct answer. Good. Sit. Now, who told you?
Sir, I don't know the seniors.
Right. Somebody told you that एक guest lecture होने वाला है. ठीक है? Let's understand this. That is exactly what may have happened. That a notice was put up, or somebody verbally or orally told you, or an email was sent. Something happened. Correct? I receive an email, I receive a communication to be at some place at some time. Now what am I? A horse, a dog, a machine? What does an intelligent person do in such a situation when he receives a communication?
We are learners.
What does an intelligent person do in such a situation?
He reacts.
Does he react? A chemical reacts. Does an intelligent man react? A dead chemical with no consciousness, even that can react. An intelligent man responds. And what is meant by responding? To respond is to understand. To respond is to understand. Reaction तो कोई मरा हुआ chemical भी कर सकता है. बात समझ रहे हैं? Reaction तो होते रहते हैं लगातार. Even as we are sitting here, there are lots of reactions happening इन दिस मिक्सचर ऑफ गैसेस अराउंड अस, चल रहे हैं। उसके लिए किसी चेतना की जरूरत नहीं, किसी अंडरस्टैंडिंग, किसी इंटेलिजेंस की जरूरत नहीं है। बट देन वी आर सो यूज्ड टू लिविंग लाइफ लाइक दिस कि कोई आता है बोलता है करो और हम करने लग जाते हैं। कोई आता है कहता है चलो, हम चलने लग जाते हैं। किसी ने बता दिया ऐसे जीना चाहिए, हम जीने लग जाते हैं। और अगर कोई बोलता है कि नहीं रुको, थमो, देखो तो कि कर क्या रहे हो, तो हमें समझ में ही नहीं आता कि हमसे कहा क्या जा रहा है। Because 22 years is a long time. Our intelligence has been burdened with so much of dirt and rubbish of conditioning कि हमारे लिए बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है जो चीज सामने है उसको भी समझ पाना, देख पाना। We are all inherently intelligent. We are all inherently full of potential. But then that is the most difficult thing to accept. कोई अभी आपसे आके बोले कि सुनो तुम्हें कुछ सोचने विचारने की जरूरत नहीं है, just do what I will tell you. आप बहुत खुश होंगे कि बहुत अच्छा है। आप कहेंगे कि हमें एक अच्छा सपोर्ट सिस्टम मिल गया। You will say, you know, he is a very good senior. He has come here to give us guidance, right? Somebody comes here and gives you a code of conduct. Somebody comes here and shares with you all his experience. Somebody comes over here and tells you what the world is like. आप बहुत खुश हो जाएंगे because that will not require effort from your side, because that will not require an application of your intelligence, and that is the one thing that you are afraid of, your own intelligence. But if somebody comes over here and tells you, boss, stop looking outside, look at yourself, your own motivations, your own processes, your own immediate life, the way you are living, all the conflict and all the influences on your mind, look at that, because that is what is you and it is your life. Then it becomes unbearable. तब लगता है कैसी बात हो रही है, क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, समझ में नहीं आ रहा, भागो। Correct? So when I came in January, one of your seniors, he said, sir, बड़ी entrepreneurship summit थी. So he said, बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, Lehman Brothers डूब गया, इतनी इकोनॉमीज है जिनकी हालत खराब है, यूरोजोन डूब रहा है, ग्रीस बर्बाद हो गया, और अब तो मैंने सुना है कि कोडैक कंपनी भी बंद होने वाली है, बताइए मैं क्या करूं? I told him, you are one of the Lehman Brothers, तुम उनके भाई हो? कोडैक से तुम्हारा घर चलता है, तुम ग्रीस के सिटीजन हो। I asked him, where do you come from? He named a particular small town. मैंने पूछा तुम में से कितने लोग यहाँ पे NCR से या किसी भी मेट्रो सिटी से हो? 2 या 4 हाथ उठे, बाकी सब छोटे शहर, छोटे इलाकों से थे। Said you have been so completely overawed by the gloss and the jazz of the corporate world and of a metro city कि तुम खुद को भूल गए हो। ये एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप समिट है जहां पे तुम मुझसे ये पूछो कि सर एक इंडिपेंडेंट जीवन जीने के लिए तो मैं जूस शॉप्स की चेन भी चला सकता हूं। कैन आई नॉट गो अबाउट दैट? नहीं, तुम वो नहीं पूछ रहे। तुम मुझसे एक मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी बंद हो रही है उसकी बात कर रहे हो जिसमें तुमको रिसेप्शन से आगे भी एंट्री नहीं मिलेगी, रिसेप्शन तक भी नहीं पहुंच पाओगे, कम से कम अभी नहीं, इमीडिएट फ्यूचर में तो नहीं ही। And the result of this will be that some big brand will hire you and give you absolutely menial work to do. पर तुम वहां चले जाओगे क्योंकि तुम ब्रांड के पीछे पागल हो गए हो, क्योंकि तुमको अपने बुद्धि का इस्तेमाल सिखाया ही नहीं गया है। तुमको बस ये सिखाया गया है कि जो बड़ा लगे, जो बड़ा इन्फ्लुएंस हो, उसी के पीछे चल दो, क्योंकि जीवन जिया ही इस तरह से है। The net result will be you will be hired by a big bank, but you will be selling credit cards at some petrol pump. हाँ, पर आप घर वालों को फोन करोगे, बोलोगे कि मैं फलाने प्राइवेट सेक्टर बैंक में काम कर रहा हूँ और कर क्या रहा हूँ ये बता नहीं पाओगे। पेट्रोल पंप पे खड़े होकर क्रेडिट कार्ड बेचता हूं। That is the fate of those who do not know what they are doing. उनके जीवन इन्फ्लुएंसेस पे चलता है, और जिन्हें इन्फ्लुएंस करना है वो अच्छे से जानते हैं कि आप इन्फ्लुएंस हो जाओगे, तो उनके पास बहुत सारे तरीके हैं आपको इन्फ्लुएंस करने के। वो अच्छी तरह जानते हैं कि आप कितने भूखे हो। नतीजा क्या होगा? आप सफर करोगे, आप सफर करोगे। This whole script that you have been living so far has not given you joy till now, and it can only give you more suffering in the future. Let that not continue. Let your entry be a point of departure. कि आज तक जो जीवन की ट्रैजेक्टरी चल रही थी, आज के बाद उससे एक डिपार्चर होगा, पॉइंट ऑफ इन्फ्लेक्शन। Are you getting what I'm trying to say?
Yes.
Don't let this be an extension of the life that you have been leading so far.